Welcome to another video. In this video we'll show you how to use maps in Titan as a Lightning Web Component in Salesforce. So what we've done here is we've created a simple form where we've got our maps element and a simple data that will read from the maps directly. So this is very easy to build, takes about 5 minutes, but then what you can do is you can embed it as a Lightning Web Component into Salesforce. So under accounts, I've got this account here, Grand Hotels Resort, and it has 4 contacts. And in this map, I can view all those contacts directly into the map. What else can you do? Well, I can click on any one of them like this, which will bring the data back here, and I can modify that data. I can say VP Director Customer, and yeah, I can just call him Mr. Dab. And if I go ahead and save this, we will rewrite this data in Salesforce and update it. So if I click over here now, which will bring up a different one, and then click over to this one over here with John Bond, and then click back over here, you can see this is the new data. And if I go back to the related list, the data has also now updated over there. Let's take Ben over here. So we'll go to the map. So let's see where Ben is. This is Tim. This is Ben. So with Ben, I can do something like this. I can say 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I can just say President VP. And if I save this, again, the data will be written back in real time. So if we go back to the details or the related list, you can see that Ben is, so in Salesforce, 1 second. Let's do view all. Probably need to refresh this in Salesforce, but yeah, there you go. So if we have a look at Ben Schmidt now, he is President's VP, just like we said it would be. And there's the number, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's how easy it is to set up a maps with Lightning components and use them within Salesforce. Super easy. You can bring the data back. You can do that with any object really, and bring the data back into maps, and then go ahead and look at that data in finer details, and then even modify those details if you want. Just like that, we'll do one more. We'll edit Tim Bar here, and then now if we go back to the related, you can see Tim Bar is now only an SVP. So any data within maps, all within Salesforce as a Lightning component, looks really pretty and nice and ready for you to use within a couple of minutes.